Welcome to my channel NeoTech-Lens, your ultimate lens into the world of technology, bringing you the latest updates, groundbreaking innovations, and future-shaping trends. From cool gadgets to tech insights, we've got it all. Let's tech it up and explore the future together.
The future of robotics is closer than we think. Today, we're going to dive into how robots are transforming industries and everyday life. From healthcare to manufacturing and even space exploration, robotics is shaping the world in ways we never imagined.
Let's begin with one of the most promising areas, healthcare. The impact of robotics in healthcare is already immense. One of the most notable examples is surgical robots, like the Da Vinci surgical system, which allows for minimally invasive surgery with greater precision and fewer complications. Surgeons can control the robotic arms with extreme accuracy, leading to faster recovery times and fewer risks. Another exciting development is robot-assisted rehabilitation. Robots like rehab robotic systems are used to help patients with mobility issues, guiding them through physical therapy. And let's not forget the rise of companion robots in elderly care. Robots like Paro, a robotic seal, provide comfort and companionship for elderly patients in nursing homes, showing how robots are not just tools, but companions too. With innovations in AI and machine learning, robots can even analyze patient data, helping doctors make more informed decisions and diagnose diseases earlier.
Next up, let's explore robotics in manufacturing. Robotics has already revolutionized production lines around the world. With the ability to handle repetitive tasks without fatigue, robots like ABB's industrial robots are becoming more integrated into factories. From assembling electronics to packaging products, robots are increasing efficiency and cutting costs. In some factories, robots work alongside humans, performing dangerous tasks like heavy lifting or working in hazardous environments. A prime example is Boston Dynamics' Atlas robot. Known for its impressive mobility, Atlas is capable of performing complex tasks like backflips and running across uneven terrain. Robots like Atlas and Spot, Boston Dynamics' four-legged robot, are even being deployed in warehouses to assist with inventory management and inspection tasks. They are designed to adapt to their environment, helping reduce risks to human workers. Another huge advantage of robotics in manufacturing is the rise of collaborative robots, or cobots. These robots are designed to work alongside humans in a shared space. They're safe, efficient, and can assist with tasks like assembly, inspection, and material handling. This means more flexible and agile manufacturing processes that adapt quickly to new demands. Moving beyond Earth, robots are playing a crucial role in space exploration. NASA has already sent several robotic missions to Mars, including the Perseverance rover. This incredible machine is designed to explore the surface of Mars, collecting soil samples, studying the atmosphere, and even searching for signs of past life. Robots like Perseverance are essential for collecting data in environments that are too dangerous for humans to explore directly. And it's not just Mars. Robots are playing a vital role in the International Space Station. Robotic arms like the Canadarm2 help astronauts with maintenance and repairs outside the ISS, allowing them to focus on more critical tasks inside the station. These arms are controlled remotely, showing the potential for robots to perform complex tasks in space with little human intervention. The future of space exploration will likely see even more advanced robots capable of exploring distant planets, moons, and asteroids, providing data that could be crucial for future human colonization missions. But it's not just industries that are embracing robotics. Robots are entering our homes and everyday lives. Humanoid robots like Sophia, created by Hanson Robotics, are becoming more advanced, able to engage in meaningful conversations, express emotions, and perform basic tasks like taking notes or providing information. Imagine a world where robots help with household chores like cleaning, cooking, and even looking after children. Robots like iRobot's Roomba already vacuum our floors, and companies like Moly Robotics are developing robotic chefs that can cook meals to perfection. In the future, we may have robotic assistants capable of managing our homes, controlling lighting, adjusting the thermostat, and even ordering groceries. And as robots become more integrated into our daily lives, we'll likely see them perform even more complex tasks. driving cars, assisting the elderly, and even providing personalized services in retail and hospitality. Of course, with all these advancements, there are important questions to consider. As robots become more involved in our lives, issues around ethics, privacy, and job displacement are rising. Will robots replace human workers? And what role will they play in decision-making processes? Trust is another key concern. Would you trust a robot to assist you in daily life? For example, would you trust a robot to drive your car, take care of your elderly parents, or perform surgery on you? As we continue to develop smarter and more capable robots, it's important to consider how they will coexist with humans and the ethical frameworks we need to put in place to ensure their responsible use. Now we want to hear from you. Would you trust a robot to assist you in your daily life? Why or why not? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We're excited to read your opinions and start a discussion. The future of robotics is exciting, and it's just beginning. We'll continue to see robots evolve and play a bigger role in every aspect of our lives. Thanks for tuning in today, and don't forget to subscribe for more discussions on the future of technology.